In this math example, we are using geometry and trigonometry and carpentry. So suppose we have a wall that we are building and we need to space 4 windows equally across the wall. So let's say that our wall is 30 feet long, 30 feet wide, and so then we have to equally space out 4 windows onto this wall. So we'll just draw our windows. In order to equally space the windows, we need to take the length of the wall, which is 30 feet, and divide it by one more of the windows we have. So we would take 30 feet divided by one more of the windows we have. So we have 4 windows plus one more. So then it would be 30 feet over 5. So then we divide 30 by 5, and we get 6 feet. This shows we need to center our windows at 6 feet intervals so they are equally spaced out among the wall. To equally space out our windows, we're going to need to space them out each by 6 feet so they are equal and along the wall.